Welcome to another 101 Poetry Prompts. Today we're teaching ROTC and the year is 2006. Can you believe it's been 18 or 19 years ago? The prompt is yellow on black. It's prompt number 6. I like progress a lot, I guess. If the thing is truly better, email me this or text me that. Is that better than a letter? Or what about a yellow wooden pencil? It will never go away. Or the calendar on the kitchen wall where you mark off all the days. But some good things are still fighting to be the only one, to prove that new isn't always better, like the warmth of the morning sun. Of course, I mean the chalkboard, yellow chalk on the black, and dusty old erasers. I want those good days back. I know they haven't all gone away. They are the A-frames on the street. Pasta plate, $12.99. And it's about our time to eat. And the Ivy League still uses them for the math and science guys because they know what is better for a beleaguered student's eyes. But it's not just the students, important but not profound. It is also the professor's heartbeat, that clicking, squeaking sound. So gather up the whiteboards and stuff them in a sack. Drop them from a bridge somewhere and convert to yellow on black. Okay, that's today's Poetry Prompts. I'll see you in a couple of days.